Assalamu alaikum students. Dear students, today's topic is foreign relations of Pakistan. What is foreign policy? The foreign policy is establishment and development of relations with other countries in order to protect the national interest by taking appropriate steps at international level. Objectives: develop a friendly relationship, safeguard national security and geostrategic interest, economic development, defense of ideological frontiers, preservation of political independence, utilization of natural resources, control of terrorism, and nuclear policy. Basic principles: peaceful coexistence, unity among Muslim world, non-alignment, international and regional cooperation, United Nations Charter, non-interference in internal affairs, non-aggressive and de-weaponization. Importance: second largest Muslim country, only nuclear power Muslim country, geostrategic location, 45th largest GDP, 25th largest purchasing power, defense budget $6.98 million, role in international politics. Pakistan's relation with neighboring countries. Relationship with China was started in 1950. Bilateral relations and initial Chinese policy of neutrality to a partnership that links a smaller but military powerful Pakistan. Diplomatic relations were established in 1950. Military assistance began in 1966. A strategic alliance was formed in 1972 and economic cooperation began in 1979. Relationship with India. Pakistan's relation with India are a source of concern and conflict in the region, especially since the two countries have gone nuclear recently. After the dissolution of the British Raj in 1947, two new sovereign nations were India emerged as secular nation with Hindu majority population and a large Muslim majority, while Pakistan was established as an Islamic republic with an overwhelming Muslim majority population. Kashmir dispute: numerous military conflict fought between the two nations. Kashmir conflict. India and Pakistan have fought at least 3 wars over Kashmir. Main reason for the dispute over Kashmir is water. Kashmir is the origin point for many rivers and tributaries of the Indus River. And also, as majority of the population is Muslim, so Pakistan claims their right to govern Kashmir. Relationship with Afghanistan. Afghanistan-Pakistan relation initiated in August 1947. Pakistan share a long and poorly marked border. The problem is close relations between the fiercely independent Pashtun peoples who live on both sides of the border. Relationship with Iran. Iran was the first nation to recognize Pakistan. People has close geopolitical and cultural linkage with Iran. Pakistan also supports Iran's use of nuclear technology for peaceful purposes. In 206, Pakistan, Iran, and India agreed to start work on IPI gas line. Pakistan and Central Asian countries. The importance of Pakistan is that these all Central Asian countries are landlocked countries. It does not have access to the sea, so these countries were facing difficulty in establishing trade relations with other countries. Keeping this situation in view, Pakistan provided transit facilities to all Central Asian countries. Tajikistan. Relations between the two states were established when the Republic of Tajikistan became independent following collapse of the USSR. Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan is sandwiched at the crossroads of Asia and Europe. Kazakhstan-Pakistan relations refer to the bilateral relations between the Republic of Kazakhstan and the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Kyrgyzstan. It is the west of the People's Republic of China. Relations between the two countries were established on 20th December 1991. Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan is located north to Turkmenistan and Afghanistan. Relations between both of countries are the foreign relations and established when Republic of Uzbekistan became independent following the collapse of the USSR. Turkmenistan. Turkmenistan bordering the Caspian Sea to the west, Iran and Afghanistan to the south. Relations between the two countries were established after Turkmenistan became independent from the Soviet Union. ECO, Pakistan and Central Asian countries. Pakistan and Central Asian states are also the member of Economic Cooperation Organization. It provides a good opportunity for the heads of state and government to meet. Economic Cooperation Organization is an intergovernmental region organization established in 1985 by Iran, Pakistan and Turkey for the purpose of promoting economic, technical and cultural cooperation among the member states. United Nations. What is the UNO? The UN is an international organization that aims to promote peace and understanding between nations. General information about United Nations. UN Headquarters. The permanent headquarters of the UN since 1952 are New York. The first meeting of the General Assembly was held here in October 1952. UN flag. The white UN emblem is superimposed on light blue background. The emblem consists of the global map projected from the North Pole and embraced in twin olive branches, symbol of peace. Membership. Membership of the United Nations is open to all peace-loving nations which accept the obligations of its charter and in the judgment of the organization are able and willing to carry out these obligations. Members may be suspended or expelled by the General Assembly on the recommendation of the Security Council. The organization is divided into administrative bodies including General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, International Court of Justice, Trusteeship Council and Secretariat. General Assembly. The General Assembly has representatives in it from all of the member countries. They discuss issues and drafts resolutions, documents suggesting action for the UN and participating countries to take. Security Council. The Security Council votes on resolutions created by the General Assembly and decides whether or not to put an action or resolution into place. Economic and Social Council. This group focuses on issues that impact the world and various countries economically and socially. This can be anything from drug trafficking to rainforest destruction. International Court of Justice. The court is located in the Netherlands and has 15 justices. Its purpose is to settle disputes between nations. Trusteeship Council. One of the principal organs of the United Nations was established to help ensure that trust territories were administered in the best interest of their inhabitants and of international peace and security. Secretariat. The UN Secretariat is headed by the Secretary General, assisted by a staff of international civil servants worldwide. It provides studies, information, and facilities needed by United Nations bodies for their meetings. It also carries out tasks as directed by the Security Council, the General Assembly, the Economic and Social Council, and other UN bodies. Thanks for your listening.